Hello, dear children. I hope you all are well. Today, we are going to study about the topic water or water. In this topic, we will discuss about the importance of water, sources of water, and water storage. Let's get into the topic. Children, do you know why water is important for us? You need to think about it. Yes, water is important for the survival of living beings. Living beings means human, plants, and animals. Next, water is needed for various activities like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, and cleaning. Now tell me, do you drink water? Do you take bath? And did you see your mother washing your clothes, cooking food for you? Of course, you have seen. Next, water is necessary for the irrigation of crops. Got it? Now, in these pictures, we can see various uses of water. Now, come to the sources of water. Water is a natural resource. Natural resource means that comes from nature. Children, the main sources of water are rain, river, pond, lake, well, tube well, waterfall, and sea, etc. Next, water is not only found in rivers, seas, and ocean, but it is also found underground. Understood? Children, you can see the pictures on the screen. Rain, river, well, tube well, pond and waterfall. But rain is the main source of water. It fills water in these places. Alright? Let's understand how can we store water at home. Children, as you know, in the house, water supplies from water pipeline. So, we need to store water in the house so that it is available easily for consumption when there is no supply of water. Next, we can use many containers for storing water in the house like water tank, bucket, pitcher, bottle, tub, etc. Children, I know you have different containers for storing water in your home as I have. Next, water must be kept in covered containers which are cleaned regularly so that it could not be contaminated. Understood? Children, here are some pictures of containers which are used for storing water in the house. Children, I hope you have understood the topic clearly. I would like to say that we should not waste water because water is precious for us. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.